And we go from the swine and goats over to the cattle pens. We're getting some grooming here. So these are 4-H projects, kids that raise them. And they bring them to the fair every year and they sell them and they get butchered and eaten. Angus here.
Flashing lights.
Thank you. They're bike lights. I just put them on there myself. So.
Oh, that's terrific.
Yeah.
Especially, were you the gentleman going down the road?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
It's hard to get to, so that's why
I used to be a bus driver, and it is so hard to see chairs.
Yeah.
You know, they're down so low.
Yeah, people try to hit me all the time, even with these. So.
I bet, but that's a great idea.
Yeah, got them on the back, too. Just bicycle lights.
You're smart.
Thanks. Have a good day. Oh, now we're back over into some more goats. You're all right. Well, you probably don't like my lights. Sorry about that. Break out the goats. Hi, big guy. You don't like that light either, do you? Huh? Yeah. I see ya. Oh, what a good fellas. Yeah, what a good little fellas he is. Oh, my. You want some more? You want some more rubbing on the head? There you go. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that's a good babies. Oh, my. Oh, my. My granny ears here? Oh, yes, you guys always love granny ears. Oh, man. Can you say anything for me? Huh? Can you say hi to everybody in Europe? No? Okay. I guess he doesn't want to say hi, bye.